Hey there. Welcome back to Quick Budget Bites. Today we're whipping up 10 incredible recipes that are not only super fast and easy to make, but also ridiculously cheap. Yep, you heard that right. We're talking about meals you can enjoy without breaking the bank. And whether you're a cash-strapped student, a busy professional looking to save some money on those weeknight dinners, or anyone who simply appreciates good food without the hefty price tag, these recipes are guaranteed to impress you. The best part? Many of these recipes can be whipped up for less than $2 per serving. That's right, under $2, and they taste absolutely divine. So get ready to redefine cheap eats because we're about to embark on a culinary journey that will leave your taste buds dancing with joy and your wallet feeling oh so happy. All right, let us kick things off with one of my all-time favorite go-tos when I'm feeling lazy but hungry. This one's for all the days when cooking feels like a chore. It's my ultimate comfort meal. Here's what you need: 2 cups of rice, 2 eggs, and 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Now here's the beauty of this dish. It's all about simplicity. Cook your rice according to the package instructions. While the rice is getting tender, it's time to work on the star of the show, the egg. You want to fry it to perfection. Now here's a little secret. Add a dash of soy sauce into the egg while you're frying it. It's going to add a ton of flavor. Once your egg is all set and looking like a golden masterpiece, it's time to assemble. Pour the cooked rice onto a plate, drizzle that luscious soy sauce on top, and now for the grand finale, place that perfectly fried egg on top. And voila, you've got yourself a comforting bowl of crispy egg rice with soy sauce. It's the epitome of comfort food, super satisfying and incredibly easy to make. Plus, the combination of the soft rice, the rich soy sauce, and the crispy egg is simply heavenly. Next up, we have a recipe that is straight from my college days. It's my tried and true go-to whenever I'm feeling extra lazy. My go-getter roommate turned me onto this one, and I've been hooked ever since. This is my lazy peanut butter noodles. Now here's what you need: 1 pack of your favorite noodles, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and a splash of hot water. All right, let's get cooking. Start by cooking your noodles according to the package instructions. While the noodles are taking a dip in hot water, it's time to prepare the peanut butter sauce. In a bowl, mix together the peanut butter and soy sauce. Gradually add the hot water, whisking constantly until you achieve a creamy consistency. It's important to use hot water because it helps to thin out the peanut butter and soy sauce mixture, making it perfect for coating those noodles. Once your noodles are cooked to al dente perfection, drain them and toss them into the creamy peanut sauce. Give it all a good mix until those noodles are coated evenly. And just like that, your quick and easy peanut butter noodles are ready to devour. This dish is not only incredibly easy to make, but it's also a great way to use up leftover noodles. Plus, the combination of the savory peanut butter and soy sauce is simply irresistible. Okay, let us talk about one of my favorite recipes that I discovered during my backpacking adventures through Southeast Asia. This dish has become a staple in my quick and easy meal repertoire. And guess what? It costs less than $1 to make. Yep, you heard that right, under $1. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with the magic of $1 stir-fried sardines. Here's what you need: 1 can of sardines in oil, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 cup of rice. Now let's get started. Start by cooking your rice according to the package instructions. While the rice is getting fluffy, it's time to work on the sardine goodness. Heat a little oil in a pan on medium heat. Add the minced garlic and chili powder, and until the aroma fills your kitchen. Next, add the sardines, breaking them into smaller pieces. Continue frying until the sardines are heated through. Once your rice is perfectly cooked, it's time to serve. Spoon the rice into a bowl, top it with the delicious sardine mixture, and voila, you've got yourself a flavorful feast for under $1. This dish might sound unconventional, but trust me, the combination of the savory sardines, the fragrant garlic, and the fluffy rice is truly magical. Now let's move on to another recipe that's not only a crowd pleaser, but also a lifesaver when you're short on time and veggies. This one is my go-to when I need a quick and healthy side dish. It's my trusty garlic cabbage stir-fry. Here's what you need: 1/2 of a medium-sized cabbage cut into bite-sized pieces, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic minced, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper to taste. Now let's get stirring. Heat the olive oil in a pan on medium heat. Add the minced garlic, and until it becomes fragrant. Now add the chopped cabbage and stir well to coat the cabbage in the garlicky oil. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Continue to stir-fry the cabbage until it becomes wilted and slightly crispy at the edges. And just like that, your quick and easy garlic cabbage stir-fry is ready to be devoured. This dish is not only incredibly versatile, but it's also packed with nutrients. The best part? It takes less than 5 minutes to make. All right, now let us whip up a dessert that's guaranteed to satisfy your sweet tooth without breaking the bank. It's my banana spring rolls. Here's what you need. To ripe bananas, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 spring roll wrapper, and a little vegetable oil for frying. Now let's get rolling. Peel and slice the bananas. Place 1 banana slice in the center of the spring roll wrapper. Roll it up tightly and secure the ends by moistening them with a little water. Now it's time to roll those suckers up. Heat a little vegetable oil in a pan on medium heat. Carefully drop the spring rolls into the hot oil and fry them until they re-golden brown and crispy. Once they're looking all crispy and gorgeous, it's time to serve. Dust them with a little sugar and devour. Trust me, the combination of the soft bananas, the crispy spring roll wrapper, and that dusting of sugar is pure heaven. Now let us quench your thirst with a refreshing drink that is perfect for any time of the day. It's my go-to iced honey lemon tea. Here's what you need. 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of honey, and a pinch of ice cubes. Let's get brewing. Boil the water in a kettle. As it reaches a rolling boil, pour the lemon juice and honey into a glass. Stir well to ensure the honey is dissolved. Now add a few ice cubes to your glass and give it another stir. And there you have it, a soothing and invigorating beverage that will keep you hydrated and refreshed all day long. Now let's move on to another side dish that's guaranteed to become a regular in your kitchen. It's my crispy pan-fried potatoes. Say goodbye to soggy fries and hello to crispy pan-fried perfection. Here's what you need. 2 medium-sized potatoes, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, salt and pepper to taste. Now let's get frying. Peel and thinly slice the potatoes. Heat the vegetable oil in a pan on medium heat. Add the potato slices and spread them out in a single layer. Now season with salt and pepper to taste. Cook the potatoes until they're golden brown and crispy, flipping them occasionally to ensure even cooking. Once they're looking all crispy and delicious, it's time to serve. These crispy pan-fried potatoes are not only incredibly addictive, but they're also a healthier alternative to traditional fried potatoes. All right, now let's shift gears and talk about a protein-packed recipe that won't break the bank. My go-to is tofu soy sauce stir-fry. Here's what you need. 1 block of firm tofu, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1/4 cup of chopped green onions. Now let's get stir-frying. Cut the tofu into cubes and press it to remove any excess moisture. Heat the vegetable oil in a pan on medium heat. Add the tofu cubes and fry them until golden brown and slightly crispy. Now, pour the soy sauce over the tofu and continue to stir-fry until the tofu is coated evenly. Sprinkle in the chopped green onions and stir well. And just like that, your quick and easy tofu soy sauce stir-fry is ready to be devoured. This dish is not only incredibly flavorful, but it's also packed with protein and fiber, making it a nutritious choice for any meal. Let's put everything together with a full meal that ticks all the boxes. We're talking about a balanced, satisfying, and budget-friendly feast. Here's what you need. 1 egg, half of a medium-sized cabbage, 1 cup of rice and soy sauce for serving. Now, let's cook up a storm. Start by cooking your rice according to the package instructions. While the rice is getting fluffy, it's time to work on the other components of your meal. In a pan, fry an egg to perfection. Meanwhile, in another pan, the chopped cabbage until it's wilted and slightly crispy. Once your rice is cooked, it's time to plate your masterpiece. Boom the rice onto a bowl, top it with the fried egg and the cabbage. Drizzle a little soy sauce on top and voila. You've got yourself a full meal that's not only nutritious, but also incredibly satisfying. And the best part? It costs just $2 to make. And there you have it, 10 incredible recipes that are not only super fast and easy to make, but also ridiculously cheap. I hope you enjoyed this culinary adventure and discovered some new favorite recipes. Remember, cooking delicious meals on a budget is an art, and with these recipes, you are the artist. So next time you're feeling lazy, broke, or both, don't settle for takeout. Whip up one of these amazing dishes and treat yourself to a culinary experience that, whoa, and break the bank.